Welcome to this date calculations video. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. A common question in analysis is how long did something take? We can easily create a date calculation to tell us. Here we want to know the average time it takes for an order to ship for each country. Let's right-click in the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. We'll call this Time to Ship. We'll use a date function called dateDiff to get the amount of time between order date and shipping date. The dateDiff function needs to know what date part we want to consider. We'll use day. Note that the date part needs to be lowercase, in single quotes, and singular. We also need a comma. Next, we'll bring out our start date, or order date, followed by another comma, and our end date, or ship date, and close parentheses. We see this calculation is valid, and we'll click OK. Let's color our countries by using time to ship. We'll change the aggregation to average, and we can edit the colors to a red-black diverging palette. And we'll reverse it because more time is bad. Now we can quickly see the countries with the longest shipping times, and we can focus on those areas. Tableau works very well with dates once it recognizes the data is a date. However, in this dataset, our dates aren't in a common format. We have our dates stored separately as day, month, and year. We want to create a calculated field that combines these three fields into one that Tableau can recognize. Right-click, Create Calculated Field. And we'll name this Tableau Date. In the calculation editor, we'll use the MakeDate function. The MakeDate function lets us combine separate fields into a date by simply dragging out the pieces in the right order. We'll bring out year, and a comma, then month, and a comma, then day, and close parentheses. The calculation is valid, and we'll click OK. Now we have a date that Tableau can recognize. And we have the full drill-down capabilities that we expect. Thank you for watching this date calculations training video. We invite you to continue with the free training videos to learn more about using Tableau.